entertainment. Dala ko sa buhay ko. I started out as a child star at naging active ako both sa films at sa television nung medyo lumaki-laki ako. Nung mas tumanda ako, kailangan ko na rin mag-expand as an artist. I joined the show and I was one of the very first members of the Thursday group. Doon ko natutunan ng mga responsibilities and I put a lot of effort sa lahat ng ginagawa namin para dun sa show. Every step of the way. Ngayon, I have shifted into another form. Art naman po. And what's working now are my hands and a lot of my imagination. Unlike in show business, one is different. Ibang klase ang fulfillment ko at na-achieve ko pag na-appreciate yung mga artworks ko. I really love what I am doing now. Akala ko kasi dati I was 100% showbiz. Yung pala, God had bigger plans for me dahil in a stroke of a brush, He created different shades in my life and be the best of what I can be.